Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Hard to believe, July 11th, right? July 12th. My God. Summer's half over. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you're learning to have a perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 123. Nasdaq up 67. S&P's up 16. Gold contract up $4.90 at $12.19 an ounce. Silver up 14 cents, $15.88 an ounce. Platinum up $15, $9.17 an ounce. You had copper up a penny, $2.68 a pound. Light sweet crude up 37 cents, $45.60 a barrel. Now, with the crude numbers out, bottom line, folks, the expectation was a 2 million drawdown. They had a 7 million drawdown. Oil's up slightly, but bottom line, it should have been up a lot more. Looks like we're going to have plenty of oil, regardless of the drawdowns that we have. Notes. 10-year note up 12 ticks, 125.18. 30-year bond up 29 ticks, 152.31. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, had rejected lower price last few days, had some price spread out here today, had the volume behind the move. They both want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar still can't handle higher price. Up 93 ticks today. It was up 250 earlier. You're right at the lows. You're at 95.515. The low out here, the last low, we've been going down for 6 months, is 95.235. It looks to me like we're going to be taking that out the next few days. The euro is trading at 114 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So, we're at 243.94. The high in the SPY is 245.01. That's going to be game, folks. You had light volume today. You had 50 million coming into 132 million. But this gap higher is enough that I suspect that the high wants to be tested. Now, what's going to be intriguing is this. Monday, Friday, normally in the summer, you get light trading days. This Friday, however, it's not going to be light trading day because the banks come out with earnings. They really kick off the earnings season. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. That being said, what do we have? Okay, we have tomorrow that we can get basically some volume going. So it just may be tomorrow that you get the test. Friday, you give it up. Dow Industrials, what we have with the Dow. Dow Industrials got to a price point today of 21,580. You closed at 21,532, and at 532, bottom line, it failed all the highs. Volume-wise, let's see what we have out here. Volume, see if we get a failure on price and volume. Okay, so we're at 7. Yeah, it's going to be a failure on price and volume. You're at 794, and we have to go, let's see, we'll go to the 3rd. That's the half a day, June 20th. Yeah, 812. Yeah, you failed on price and volume in the Dow. Now, that's kind of intriguing because the Dow did get up into new numbers, but guess what? Gave it up. Composite, NASDAQ Composite. Composite out here closed at its high, 62.61, and it looks like the Composite's going to try to make a run for that 63.03. It's getting slammed right into its downdraft from the 9th, but bottom line, it wants to get up. Excuse me, folks, and test that high, not the high. We did 1.7 billion shares inside the composite. What the composite is looking to test where it broke down the second time from on the 26th of June. NDX 100, you had Facebook go to a new high today, closed at a new high. NDX was up $69. We are at 57.78, and that puts game that can test 58.45. Gold contract caught a bid, has volume behind the move. Bottom line is that we're at 12.1960. As long as we did get back, we did get inside the 12.1780, and that's what we needed to get to higher price. I expect that's also going to start moving up to higher price. XAU, the HUI, you had the XAU up 10 cents, $80.53. Gold Bugs Index up $1.21, trading at 186.09. And the GDX, that was traded up 10 cents, 21.74. The GDX, XAU, and the HUI, they did give it up somewhat on price as we were going through the trading day. Bonds, 10-year note. We take a look at the note. What you have with the note is this. 10-year note up 13 ticks. You did 1.5 million contracts, so it has it all. It has the price spread, has the volume behind it, and what's pretty amazing is that if you're listening to the first hour, there is a $10 million trade that got put on intraday today, folks, and this is very unusual. In the bond market, there's a strangle that's in the bond market, and that trade expires in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from this Friday. Bottom line, what that trade is looking for is not direction, it's looking for volatility going both ways. So we'll see where that shakes out. But, you know, the bonds just hit the low, rejected the low, going topside, and we'll see what type of volatility that we get in it. They're telling me it's the July 21st. I'm not sure about that. I know that's option expiration. I got to find that article again. I know that's option expiration on a monthly, but he might have the weeklies too. We'll check that out though. We take a look at the 30-year. What we have with the 30-year, 30-year out here, up 28 ticks, 152.30. That did 261,000. So that also had the juice behind it. And in both cases, that says that, hey, guess what? That little baby can go after this highs. And good old King Dollar could actually slip below this 92.275 tonight. You stay right there, folks, and we come right back. Dow Industrials closed up 123, NASDAQ up 67, S&P's up 15.5. We're going to be right back.